Hello students, today you are going to learn capital and small alphabets together. Starting with A. First of all, capital A. You already know how to make a capital A. A slanting line, another slanting line, then a sleeping line. Capital A. Now small a curve and a standing line makes A. B. A standing line, curve, another curve makes B. Now small b, standing line, then a curve. After B, capital C. From top to third line, a curve makes C. Now small c, from the middle, a curve makes C. After C, D, from top to third line, a standing line, then a curve makes D. Small d, first of all, from second line to third line, a curve like C, then a standing line makes D. After D, E, capital E, a standing line, then a sleeping line at the top, middle, and the third line makes E. Small e, from the middle, a loop, then a curve makes small e. Capital F, standing line, a sleeping line at the top, and in the second line makes F. Now small f, a curve, then a standing line, then a curve backside, then a sleeping line in the second line makes F. G, a curve from top moving to second line, then a sleeping line, then a small standing line makes G. Small g, from the second line to third line, a curve like C, a standing line, then a curve the bottom line. H, a standing line, opposite to this another standing line, then a sleeping line joining both standing line. Small h, a standing line, then a curve makes H. I, a sleeping line, a standing line from top to third line, then a sleeping line makes I. Small I, a standing line making a curve and dot upside makes I. J, a sleeping line at the top, a standing line making a curve backside makes J. small j. From second line to last line, making a curve, then a dot makes j. K, standing line, is slanting line from top to second line, then from second line to third line makes K. Small k is standing line from top to third line, then in the middle slanting line, then another slanting line makes K. L, standing line from top to third line, then a sleeping line makes L. This is capital L. Small l, standing line making a curve makes L. M, is standing line, then a slanting line, another slanting line moving to upside, then a standing line makes M. Small m, in the middle standing line, then a curve moving downside, joining this another curve makes M. N, is standing line, then a slanting line to right side, then a standing line makes capital N. Small n, from the second line to third line is standing line, then a curve in the middle makes small n. Capital O, from the top to right making a circle makes O. Small o, from the second line making a circle to right side makes small o. P, standing line, then a curve makes capital P. Small p, from second line to last line is standing line, then a curve makes small p. Q, from top to right making a circle, then an arc makes capital Q. Small q, a curve like C, then a standing line, then a small slanting line makes Q. R, standing line, then a curve from top to second line, then a slanting line from second line to third line makes R. Small r, a standing line, then a curve makes R. S, first curve, another curve makes capital S. small s in the middle, first curve, second curve makes S. T is sleeping line at the top, then a standing line makes capital T. Small t is standing line, then a sleeping line in the second line makes T. U standing line making a curve to the top makes capital U. Then small u from second line to third line, a standing line making a curve makes small u. Capital V is slanting line to right side, then again a slanting line to left side makes capital V. Small v from the second line to third line, a slanting line to right, then a slanting line to left makes small v. W, first of all a slanting line to right, then again a slanting line moving to upside, then again a slanting line to right, then to top makes W. Small is from second line to third line making a slanting line, then a slanting line to top, then a slanting line again to right side, then to top a slanting line makes W. X from top to third line making a slanting line, then from top to left crossing the first slanting line makes capital X. Small x, a slanting line to right crossing this slanting line, another slanting line to left makes small x. Y, a slanting line from top to second line, then another slanting line from top to third line makes capital Y. Small y, from second line to third line a slanting line, then a slanting line from second line to last line makes small y. Z, a sleeping line at the top, then a slanting line, then a sleeping line in the third line makes Z. Small z, from the second line a sleeping line, then a slanting line, again a sleeping line in the third line makes small z. Students, complete this work in your copy and practice it in one more page. Thank you.